In this video, we are assembling a shaker wall cabinet. Let's get started by carefully unboxing and organizing all parts and tools on a flat surface. Now, place the hinges into the pre-drilled holes on each door. Use half-inch screws to securely fasten them in place. Make sure they're snug, but don't over-tighten. Next, take the soft bumpers and apply them to the inside corners of each door. These will help cushion the close and protect your cabinet finish over time. Now, let's begin building the cabinet box. Take one of your side panels and align it with the back panel. Using 1¼ inch 18-gauge nails, fasten the side to the back. A nail gun makes this step quick and precise. Now grab the deck panel. Line it up with the side panels, making sure it's flush. Secure it in place with 1¼ inch screws for a strong foundation. Repeat the steps for the second side. Attach the second back by ensuring it is aligned. Then secure it with nails. It's time to install the face frame. Apply wood glue along the edge. Then position the frame on the cabinet front. Using a staple gun, secure it with up to 4 staples per side, making sure it's fully seated and square. Finally, grab the doors you set aside. Align the hinges with the mounting points on the frame and fasten each with 1-inch screws. That's it! Your shaker wall cabinet is now fully assembled and ready for install.